So today I have a product that is actually a watch. Now, people that know me know that I love watches. They could be stainless steel, leather bands, rubber band, it really doesn't matter. It could be a smart, analog, digital watch, the old calculator. I just love watches. And they could be any price range. But this is one company that my wife saw a few years back called Treehut. Now their claim to fame is their first watch is made out of all wood, or mostly wood. You know, some of the intricate parts are still normal movements, but the majority of it is wood. And there's actually, I did a video of it a few years back that you can check out if you're interested in seeing that. But that watch always gets comments when I wear it. Not only is it lightweight, it's still durable, but it looks really, really cool and unique. So if you're a watch fan, definitely recommend checking out the original Treehut watch. But they have been expanding. They still incorporate a lot of wood into their watch products, and they have this new one that actually just came out. So this one here is called the Aster. This one has a stainless steel band, and it's this Aster Grey with this marble inlay, which is in the box. Sells for about $280 or so, and Treehut was great. They actually gave me a coupon code that's below, so if you want to pick up this one or other ones, you could also do that and save a little bit of money. But they also offer different bands, so maybe you don't want the stainless steel or you want to switch it out. You have all those different types of options. Let's go ahead and take a look and actually see what's in the box here. We got this little nice, actually not even little, nice presentation and box. Pretty cool and unique there. Sweet. I'm not going to show you that yet. So in the box we have the little getting started guide. It says authenticity certificate, date of purchase, handmade, it tells me. Some more info there, as well as expansion link, as well as a little link tool to help you do that and remove it. If you want to change out the band. Comes with a little pillowcase there. Now wait till you see this watch. This is so cool. I love this color for sure. So here is the color of the watch. Let's see if you can see it. Has that bluish color to this one here. That's why I totally love it. One of my favorite colors. It says it's designed in California by Treehut, stainless steel case. Like this face is actually a 43 millimeter size. So perfect for men and even women that like the bigger size watches. The strap is a 20 millimeter. Japanese quartz movement, has a 24-hour clock, 30-minute timer, 60-second timer with date indicator. Let's see, durable and long lasting. Now I don't see anything on here as far as being waterproof, so do keep that in mind. Plenty of timekeeping options here from your different timers, the 24 hours. And then you got different buttons on the side here. And then putting this on is pretty, I don't know if I can show you there, pretty straightforward and simple. It just clicks in place. I will have to remove probably, let's see, probably like 2 or 3 of these links. Not a big deal, but for a watch color, weight, it's not super heavy. I mean, it does have some weight to it, but it's not super heavy, feels high quality. It is a really unique and cool looking watch. I highly recommend checking out this brand. Number one, that first watch that my wife surprised me, I think it was a birthday or Christmas, that was a really cool watch. Totally different. Now these ones, you're like, oh, but it looks like some of the other stainless steel watches out there. Yeah, but that face and the color of this is awesome. Totally love this, so looking forward to really wearing this and checking it out in further detail and watch as well. So again, this is the Treehut Aster Grey Marble watch. Really love it. Cool. Excited about this. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. I will most likely do a rewind on this watch, maybe a month or 2 down the road, just let you know how it is performing, and make sure you look for that and stay subscribed.